everyone to the Cheetos Crunchy manufacturing facility. Today we're going to show you exactly how we make those delicious, bright orange snacks you love.
It all starts right here, in these golden fields, where we harvest the finest corn for every bag of crunchy Cheetos. Eating 14.5% on this batch, Supervisor.
Good, log it down. We can accept that.
The flow rate is steady. We're clear to continue. A continuous stream of bright golden yellow corn kernels pours into the silo. I'm just checking the moisture levels now. We ensure every kernel meets our strict quality standards before it moves to the next stage.
Moisture content is 12.5%, right within the acceptable range.
How's the weight looking down there? We're at 90%. Keep it coming.
It all starts here, with the finest golden corn kernels, heading straight to our facility.
Here is the manifest and the weight certificate.
Thank you. Everything seems to be in order. You can proceed to the bay.
Welcome to the heart of the factory. This is where our journey begins, as we receive the finest golden corn.
As you can see, the golden yellow corn flows straight from the hopper onto this wide belt, meticulously weighed by the ton.
Here we see the raw corn kernels being meticulously cleaned in the rotary drum, ensuring only the finest ingredients move on to the next stage.
Here we see the rotary drum cleaner at work, separating the good corn from the dust and fragments before the extrusion process.
This is where we ensure purity. Our air classification system lifts the corn.
The rotary sieve, ensuring only the finest golden cornmeal makes it through. The coarser particles are sent right back to the mill for regrinding.
Here in the conditioning tank, we blend the fine corn flour with water using this paddle mixer to achieve the perfect consistency for extrusion.
Here in the continuous mixer, we combine the cornmeal with vegetable oil and our signature seasoning blend.
Inside the continuous mixer, twin screw augers combine the cornmeal, vegetable oil, and seasoning. It transitions from a loose granular mass to a stiff dough.
The dough exits the mixer and moves straight to our color inspection sensors. Pressure holding steady at maximum capacity.
Good, keep the flow consistent on the dough.
Under intense pressure, the corn dough is extruded through these small openings. The rapid expansion is what gives Cheetos their signature crunchy texture. Emerging from the die plate, you can see the continuous streams of pale yellow corn dough rapidly expand, creating that airy, puff texture before the knives cut them.
As you can see, the raw pieces are light and airy. We check the consistency here before they head to the seasoning drum.
We maintain a steady 180 degrees Celsius in this tunnel to ensure the perfect airy texture before we apply the seasoning.
Our quality team ensures every batch meets the highest standards. He's listening for that distinct crunch that tells us they're perfectly baked before we add the seasoning.
This is where the magic happens. We add our signature bright orange cheddar cheese seasoning, ensuring every crunch is perfectly coated.
Right here, the perfectly puffed snacks get their signature flavor, tumbling through the seasoning drum until they are coated in that vibrant cheese.
Sample confirmed. Vivid orange coating is uniform. Length measures 7.8 centimeters. Recording satisfactory.
The airflow
Here we ensure every Cheeto meets our exact color standard. The shade must perfectly match the target swatch for that signature vivid orange.
Keep an eye on the flow rate going into the funnel.
Looks good, moving at maximum capacity.
Mike!
Crunch, the airy interior, and that incredible bright orange cheddar cheese coating, it doesn't get crunchier than this.
Sealing looks good. The nitrogen flush held up perfectly on this batch. We are clear for distribution.
The form-fill seal machine rapidly creates a perfect airtight seal using precise heat and pressure, ensuring maximum freshness.
Look at the speed of that fill.
Incredible, right on target.
Check it!
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.